What is up, everybody? New Never You here. Today we have Cris Tales for the PlayStation 5 from Modus Games. They had their collector's edition up, and I sniped it because it was $100. So I am here to show you the contents. This box is gorgeous. Let's see what we got here. We got the frog. The time frog. Ooh, you got a little patch. He got nothing on his butt. He got two patches. That's a nice size plushie for a $100 collector's edition. That's probably staying wrapped up. Then inside the box we got, let's see. I got some more art. Mr. Frog himself. Let's see what other goodies we got in here. We got some pens. I'm a sucker for a good pen. That's pretty cool. Enamel pens. That's pretty dope. Let's see what else is in here. Got some stickers that I can probably stick on some boxes, some art or something. That's cool. I like stickers. It looks like an art book. Yep, that's an art book. Art of Cris Tales. Give you guys a sneak peek, I guess. I played the demo of this game and I was like, yeah, I gotta buy this. It's basically you play in the present, the past, and the future all at one time. Chris Bell is our main protagonist. Let's see, I'll give you guys one more scan. That's beautiful. And now, Fight Through Time, the actual box. That's dope. That is dope, 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 dope. Let's see what we got. Oh, it comes with a few of those. Don't really know what's changing. There's another one. Okay, I see that one. That's dope, man. That's crazy. I kind of want to see what's happening on this one now. Is the colors and stuff just changing? That appears to be the only thing, like they're moving forward. That's pretty dope. In the game itself, I'm finna pop this bad boy in right now. Only 8 gigs on my PlayStation 5. Yeah, it's a wrap. Y'all ain't gonna see me for a good minute. But this has been the Cris Tales Collector's Edition opening. PlayStation 5 by Modus Gaming. Pick up this game, man. Support this company. Show them some love. I am New Never You. And if you did new, this game bout to. Peace.